Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share a contact group in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to distribute a list of contacts to colleagues or team members, saving everyone time from manually adding contacts one by one. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app on your device. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook features. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding, as you'll need access to your contacts section for this task. Now that your email has loaded successfully, it's time to navigate to your contacts menu. Look toward the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find several icons. You're looking for the contacts menu, which is represented by an icon showing two people. Click on this icon to access all your saved contacts and contact groups. This is where Outlook organizes everyone you've added, making it easy to manage and share them when needed. Once your contacts section has loaded, shift your attention to the left side panel. Here you'll see all your contact groups listed out clearly. Take a moment to browse through and select which contact group you wish to share with others. After you've identified the right group, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for managing that particular contact group. From the context menu that appears, carefully hover your cursor over the option labeled Share. When you do this, the menu will expand to reveal additional sharing options. From this expanded menu, click on Share Contacts. This is the key step that initiates the sharing process and opens up the necessary window to complete your task. A Share Contacts window will now appear on your screen. This is where you'll specify who receives access to this contact group. In the recipient field, simply type in the email address of the person or people you wish to share this contact group with. You can add multiple recipients if needed, making it convenient to distribute the same contact list to several team members at once. Once you've added all the necessary email addresses, click on Send. Outlook will process your request and deliver the contact group to everyone you specified, allowing them to import it directly into their own contacts. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a contact group in Outlook, streamlining collaboration and ensuring everyone has access to the same important contacts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.